Today we're gonna talk about the new Silky Ultimate. The new Silky Ultimate has a new design on the toothing called the GOKAI-Me teeths. And what that does is making the sawdust fall off the handsaw easier, and it doesn't clog up when you're doing the cut. And with the progressive teething, it makes both the starting of the cut easier and you get really clean cuts. So when you're doing a pruning, for example, you can make the really precise and really clean cuts with the new progressive teething, and that's really cool. If you are thinking about getting a new handsaw, get this new Silky Ultimate. You know what to get it, hit the link below and you're gonna get straight to it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys!